We stand pastels over here. Gotta love that new palette smell. Hi guys, welcome back to watching Nelly Doing Things. I am back with another review slash tutorial. Today we're going to be talking about the new ColourPop Land or Candyland inspired ColourPop. So I finally got it in, finally. So now I can do a review over it. So before I get into it, you guys already know, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, again, which is Nelly Doing Things. And don't forget to leave a comment below. And also don't forget to hit that notification button while you're down there as well. So if you want this a look, it was quite fun. It was quite fun. Stay tuned. I hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial because I liked it. Now, the style of makeup I was trying to do is kicking my butt a little bit. The eyeliner, me and eyeliner, we're frenemies. Like, we get along sometimes and other times like, no, I don't like her. So, but I think this look came out really, really pretty. I'm having fun again. Pastel fantasy. You know, I see there was pastel, and on top of that, this thing has the nerve to be scented, including the blush as well. Like, come on, you know I had to try it. So first thing I'm going to talk about, the palettes. So my impression off of the new Candle Castle ColourPop palette is I really liked it. Our ColourPop Land Castle Candy Castle Pressed Powder palette. That's a lot. Well, this palette is actually very, very cute. Now let me tell you right now, Y'all know I already love it. Like, it smells like creamy ice cream. It's like a nice creamy scent. And I was like, yes! This did retail, I believe, for, I want to say for 18 bucks, I believe. I was really, really excited when I seen this palette because I said, oh my God, Candyland. I remember that as a child. So I was like, wait a minute. And they had the cute little board looking game and stuff. I said, I gotta get this just for nostalgic reasons and for my own childhood. I just gotta get it. I just have to get it, like, for real. And I'm gonna just start off with the colors I love the most, which actually only one of them didn't shock me, but the ones I ended up really loving, it shocked me a lot. So the two right in the center here, that yellow and that green, yeah, she popped off. They really did, because I am shocked. Like, look at this. Like, look at that. Like, look at the yellow, the green. It's so pastel, but it still showed up even with the Morphe concealer. I know that usually helps. I use that as a base, of course. But I was curious to see, like, how pigmented will it still be, because it is pastel. And it's quite pigmented, especially that green. That one is called Rainbow Trail. Oh, I love it. But that Cravings one is so much fun. I love pastel yellow too. I like that washed out baby yellow. And the other one I loved, of course, is going to be Globby. That's that dark, rich color. I loved it. It's very pigmented. Compared to the other colors, that one was like extremely pigmented. I was like, whoa, okay. That's why I had to tone it down a little bit in the corner there, because I wanted to deepen it, but not like make it completely dark brown chocolate fudge. But it's really, really cute. I'm still just shocked that this palette, I think it's quite pigmented. I wonder though, if I didn't use Morphe concealer, would it still show up the same? I think the green may still show up on me, kind of the same. And then, like, I think pretty much, I'm not gonna lie, I feel like this whole row without my Morphe concealer could show up on my skin, because I use this one. That one is Grandma Nut. Grandma Nut. I'm gonna stop saying that. Grandma Nut. That one, literally, I used at that top, that background color, and it showed up. That was on my regular skin tone concealer, so that was really good. So actually, the whole bottom row, I'm loving. I know that definitely it all shows up on me. It's really cool. But I had to use the light pastel baby colors in top. I just had to, because we gotta try this whole palette out. She ain't gonna get away with just, you know, trying one color and it's look cute, and I'm gonna go with the darkest one. I don't like doing that. So that's why I said I'm glad I had a little bit of darkness, and most of the stuff is extra light. This palette is really cute. I love that it's scented. I like the smallness of it. Now, on the packaging too, see it's a cute little mirror. So the packaging too, it does have like a little bubble kind of feel on top of each letters. And then of course they have the names on the back of the palette as well, which is really good, because then you're like, oh yeah, that's right, I want that color. So to me, the finish of the eyeshadows, of course, to me, I'm loving that all of these, which actually is crazy, the green and yellow may not show like that on camera. It may have, you know, you guys may see in the close-up when I'm doing the tutorial, but these colors, like this pink I used a little bit as well, and the two in the middle that I love so much, those look like they're matte, but they're matte and they have, like, see the little shimmers. It's so cute. It's so cute, and it shows up, and I'm like, even with my Morphe concealer, I really thought it was gonna be like just so barely washed out, you can't really see anything. But I see the yellow and I see the green, I see it clear as day. And this lighting and that lighting on camera, everywhere. It's just, it's so cute. This palette was fun. This made me want to do all the extra dots and all the cutesy little kitty stuff. It made me want to jump into that pastel kind of wonderland. I love that. I miss these kind of palettes. I love pastel ones and also the nostalgic feel of it. So to me, this palette is a fun palette to use during spring, of course, spring and summer, and also if you like any pastels, just get the pastel palette. This makes sense. Of course, we stand pastels over here, so we always gonna grab any pastel palette that comes out just to see it and try it. So we have 3 mattes. It looks like we have our mattes with our shimmers. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4 of those. Oh, well, actually 5, because that really dark one is a matte kind of shimmer glitter in there. And then we have, looks like a more sheen shimmer and a more soft kind of that cushiony, like these two are like that cushiony soft glitters that usually ColourPop gives you, especially that sugar high one, that real light one. That one's always good. That's why I had to pop it on top of that pink. On my eye, let me see, all the colors I put on my eyes today, I believe I put on, so I used, let's see, I used this one, those two, purple, Grandma Nut, this one. So I literally used out of the palette, and this is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is a 10 pan palette. So I used 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I used 7 colors out of 10. So I only didn't use 3 colors. So this, you can have fun with it. I am going to be using this palette because this one is so cute. And it has the nerve to be scented. I know I said that before, but I'm still just... Next, what we're going to be talking about is the ColourPop Land. Now, this is one of the blushes. This is the Super Shock Cheek Blush. This one is in the shade Gummy More. Cute name. Now, let me show you guys this thing up close. So, this is Gummy More. And this one to me is like a light pink with a little bit of rosiness in it. It has a warm kind of shimmer champagne situation. Now, I did take the section where it looks like it's a little more darker pink. And then I'm doing a swatch of the lighter shimmer mixed in with the pink. So, as you can see, this to me was not my first choice. I wanted to go with Jolly, which was the orange one, of course, because I really wanted to try it out and see. Let me tell you something about this. I don't like the color. I would love to try Jolly if they ever get restock of it, or as backup, I would buy the orange one most definitely. But I had to just at least try it because I think I have only Super Shock shadows and then I have regular high. Well, I don't have this though, like this kind. But anyways, I'll tell you right now, it's very cute. It does make my cheek look dewier and it's cute. It's not the color I wanted, you know, but the thing that canceled this out for me, because I didn't, besides the color, y'all, I'm sad to say, because you know I love scented things. Baby, this blush is too strong. I never thought I would say that. This smells like that cheap strawberry candy that came in those little Barbie kits, those little kitty kits. It just, ooh, it was artificial, extremely artificial. Every time I smell it, it makes me want to run. I do not like. I remember that smell. I didn't like it then. I don't like it now. So that is the thing that just knocks it out the park, or just throws it out the park, drops it down on the floor for me, because I really no. If I would have got the color Jolly, the orange that I wanted, I wonder does it smell different because different colors, but I don't think so. So if I would have got Jolly, I would have been like, that color better be real pretty on me, because that was not. No, that's what knocked it out. To me, that blush was, she was out. She was out. I did not like that. No, ma'am. That scent, I love scented makeup, but they could have just left this one out. I'm not gonna lie, they could have left that one right on out. So guys, out of both of the items, I say the palette is much better. Grab the palette. It's way, way more worth it. I believe the blush was like $9, $10, I believe. Either way, you want the color that bad? Yes, but that smell is gonna be strong in that blush. I'm just gonna say that. So that was my review over the new ColourPop Land, Candy Castle, you know, the whole Candyland thing. Again, guys, thank you for watching me, which is Nelly Doing Things. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to leave a comment below, as well as a notification button. Gotta ding it, gotta hit it, guys. So when I show up, and we can look and chat. So thank you again for watching me, guys, and you know what's up. You already know what I'm gonna say. I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. Bye.